Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will tell you how I have created this beautiful motion graphics CV template in PowerPoint. As it involves lot of animation to create each of these slides, so I have created this tutorial into 3 parts. This is part 1, where I will cover the first 2 introductory slides and I will cover the remaining slides into part 2 and part 3 of this series. If you like my work, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. So let's begin. Okay, so let us quickly insert one 10-point star here. Okay, let me fill this with white color and drag this yellow point to the center of this shape. Now let me insert one circle on top of this, and for this I'm selecting the same color which is of my background, that is purple, and for outline I'm selecting no outline. Now let me quickly insert one hollow circle here into the center of this, and let me fill it with some other color and with no outline. Okay, now let's select all 3 of them, go to the alignment and align it to center and middle so that all 3 are into the same alignment. Okay, now go to the animation pane, deselect this circle, select only this hollow circle and this is star shape, and go to the animation pane, apply this basic zoom animation. Okay, now let me open this animation pane, let me increase their duration as 1 and let us start them with previous. Okay, so we're done. So this is how we have I have created that starburst animation. So let us see how it is playing. It will play like this. Okay, so let me quickly create the other elements of this slide. Here let me go to the animation pane and let me add a delay of around 0.25 seconds, and from here I'm selecting a delay of around 0.5 seconds. Okay, let me see how it is playing now. Okay, only one thing which we have to do is like we have to bring this into the front because it is coming from behind this circle. There is one this circle is there, right? So it is not appearing on top of that, so I just brought it forward. Now if I play them, it will play nicely. Okay, perfect. Now if you want to rotate this star direction, you can rotate or you can leave it like this. Okay, let's select all of them, go to the add animation and apply one fade animation that is for exit. Okay, first of all let's select this start after previous, only the first one. Okay, so we are done. Now only one thing which we have to insert here is we have to insert one big circle. So let me zoom out the slide and let me insert one big circle here so that it will cover our entire slide. This filling, I'm selecting this black color with no outline, and let me go to the animation pane again, apply the same basic zoom animation on this circle, and it will start once all our animations are over. Okay, and let me select this duration as 1. Okay, so if I play this into the full screen, it will play like this. Perfect. So we are done with our first slide. Now let's quickly move to the next slide. So let me insert one blank slide here and let me go to the format background, and for this I'm selecting this black color. let me quickly insert one text box here. So let me quickly type hello here in this text box. It is not visible, so let me quickly go to this word art style and I'm selecting this particular style. And for font size, I'm selecting this Arial rounded empty, and let's increase this size to around 44. Let me align this text box to the middle and center of this slide. Okay, now let me quickly insert one hollow circle also on top of this. Okay, now let me align this quickly to the center and middle of this slide. Okay, and let me choose this pink color for my fill with no outline. So we're done. Okay, perfect. Now let me go to the animation pane and apply some animation here. So for this particular hollow circle, I'm selecting this basic zoom animation. Okay, let me open the animation pane also, and let's add a duration of around 1 second. And for this hello text box, I'm applying only this zoom animation. Okay, and it will start with previous but with some delay, so let me add some delay. Now this will start with previous, so if I play like this, it will come like this. Okay, perfect. Okay, so we are good till here. Now let me quickly take the dynamic circle animation from my previous slide, and if you want to learn this animation, please see my video which I have uploaded on how to create these dynamic circles. So the link is given in the description box of the video. Please refer to that video to learn this dynamic circle animation. Okay, so it already has some animation. Only thing like it will start with previous basically. So let me quickly select this start with previous. Okay, and we have to apply one more animation here on this hollow circle because we want this to be disappear. So I'm selecting this disappear or this fade animation, and it will come here and it will start after previous, and this will start with previous. So these all will start with previous. Okay, so till here we're good. Now let's select this exit animation and just click on this start after previous. So once this particular animation is over, it will exit. Okay, and let's see how it is playing. Okay, perfect. Now let's go to the first slide and hide this oval. Just copy paste these two elements from here and paste it on this slide. And for these circles, you just select the same color as our background, so that is black color. Okay, so we're done with our second slide also. So this is it about part 1. Let's catch up in part 2 video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel.